the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We, the human beings, we want a smooth life, no disturbance, no trouble, but a smooth, comfortable life. Nothing should irritate us. Nobody should do anything else which we hate or which we don't like, which is against our wishes and desires. But the trouble is that it is not humanly possible. It is not possible. I'm not saying it is very difficult, rather, I'm saying it is impossible. This is not possible. If at all this is not possible, why am I calling it something which is impossible? Not just for the not just uh, for commoners, not just for commoners, rather for the people who are very rich, for the people who are very famous, for the people who are very intelligent, genius people, for the people who are very powerful, for the people who are ruling the countries. Even if we go back hundreds of years back, there used to be kingdoms everywhere else, and kings were like the owners, like everything else. Even then, it was not possible for the kings, not to talk about the ordinary people, it was not even possible for the kings to lead the life of their absolute choice. They had to bear the things which were unpalatable for them, even at that time. Like there were other kings as well with whom they fought wars, health problems, health problems. They were eating whatever they wanted to eat, and whatever they wanted to eat, and no physical exercise, it means trouble, it means health problems. They were even unable to understand what sort of health problem is afflicting them. Though the top physicians were available to them, herbalists, but still those top physicians were having far limited knowledge as compared to the knowledge and information available today. They were having health problems. They wanted to stay young forever, but it was not humanly possible. They didn't want to die. They didn't want anyone, any of their loved one to die. But people do have to die. Each and everyone else have to die. Some of the people die early, some of the people die a bit late, but each and everyone else have to die. Again, it was never possible. It is never possible even today. But the people, we the people, many of the people, most of the people, almost all of the people, we want a smooth life. What we want is, we want a smooth life. We want a smooth life. Smooth life is not humanly possible. But wishing for it, desiring for it, wishing for it, desiring for it, It is actually making us unhappy, and it is making us actually more uncomfortable. It is making us more unhappy, it is making us more uncomfortable. Because with the arrival of each trouble, with the arrival of each problem in our life, we start thinking, why does it happen to me? Why did it happen? Why does it happen to me? It should not have happened. It should not have happened because I don't like it, because I don't like it. Even the most powerful people today, the most powerful people alive today, those people who are very rich, the people who are very famous, the people who are very powerful, mean the ruling class, the top ruler, prime minister or the president, all of these people are very weak actually. All of these people are very weak actually, not strong at all. Then I think that we should be ready. We should be ready for the things which are going to make us uncomfortable, for the things which are going to make us unhappy. We should be ready psychologically and to some extent physically as well. How can we prepare ourselves physically? By becoming a strong human being, by conducting certain exercises like the military does conduct the exercises, like all the other departments does conduct refresher courses. Refresher courses. We too need the refresher courses, which could keep us mentally prepared for the unsmooth life, which could make us somewhat physically prepared for the unsmooth life. That is something to be kept in mind. That is something to ponder upon. That is something to prepare upon. That is something to act upon. This is as simple as this one.